Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 5 Language of Chemistry. The objectives of the lesson are chemical reactions and equations, balanced chemical equation, chemical reactions and its types. The specific objectives of today's class are recollection of symbols and formula, chemical reactions and equations. The new terms we are going to learn in this chapter are symbol, valency, variable valency, formula, chemical reaction, chemical equation, reactants, products, word equation, and the last is skeletal equation. So first, what is symbol? Symbol is defined as the short form of an element. Students, there are 118 elements known till now, and each element has a specific symbol. Some symbols are derived from the first letter of the English name of the elements.
For example, the symbol of oxygen is O, the symbol of hydrogen is H, and the symbol of carbon is C. Some symbols are derived from the first two letters when the first letter was already
chosen. For example, the symbol of cobalt is CO, the symbol of calcium is Ca, and the symbol of helium is He. Some symbols are derived from the Latin name of the elements.
For example, the symbol of sodium is Na, which is derived from the Latin name natrium. The symbol of potassium is capital K, which is derived from the Latin name kalium, and the symbol of iron is Fe, which is derived from the Latin name ferrum.
Next, what is valency? Valency is defined as the combining capacity of an atom of an element. Next term is variable valency. Variable valency is defined as the property of an element showing more than one valency. Next, what is radical? Radical is defined as an atom or group of atoms having positive or negative charge on it. Students, radicals are of two types. First, basic radicals. The positively charged radicals are called basic radicals, and next, second is acid radicals. The negatively charged radicals are called acid radicals. First, we will discuss positive valency or basic radicals examples. The elements or the radicals which have +1 valency are hydrogen H+1, copper Cu+1, mercury Hg+1, sodium Na+1, potassium capital K+1, silver Ag+1, and the radical ammonium NH4+1. Now, +2 valency, iron Fe2 positive, copper Cu2 positive, mercury Hg2 positive, calcium Ca2 positive, zinc Zn2 positive, lead Pb2 positive, magnesium Mg2 positive, and manganese Mn2 positive. Next, the elements which have +3 valency are iron Fe3 positive, auric Au3 positive, aluminium Al3 positive. Now we will discuss negative valency or acid radicals. Students, the elements or the radicals which have -1 valency are hydride H negative, hydroxide OH negative, chloride Cl negative, bromide Br negative, iodide I negative, nitrite NO2 negative, nitrate NO3 negative, bicarbonate HCO3 negative, bisulfite HSO3 negative, bisulfate HSO4 negative, chlorate ClO3 negative, permanganate MnO4 negative. Next, -2 valency oxide O2 negative, carbonate CO3 2 negative, sulfide S2 negative, sulfite SO3 2 negative, sulfate SO4 2 negative, and dichromate Cr2O7 2 negative. Next, -3 valency nitride N3 negative, phosphate PO4 3 negative. What is formula? Formula is defined as the symbolic representation of a molecule of a compound. For example, the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl and the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Now students, let us understand the step involved in writing the chemical formula of sodium chloride. Students, sodium chloride is made up of sodium and chloride radicals. Students, always remember, ions are also called radicals. First, write the symbols of sodium and chloride radicals, that is Na positive and Cl negative. The positive radical sodium is written on the left side and the negative radical chloride is written on the right side. Next, below the symbols of each element, write down their valencies. The valency of both sodium and chloride is 1. So it is written as 1, 1. Next, we interchange the valencies of sodium and chloride radicals to get the chemical formula NaCl. One more example we will discuss. What's the formula when calcium combines with chloride? First, write the symbols of calcium and chlorine and write the charges of the ions. That is calcium +2 and chloride ion -1. Students, we interchange the valences of calcium and chloride ions to get the formula CaCl2. One more example. To get the formula of aluminium sulfate, write the aluminium ion and sulfate ion, that is aluminium +3 and sulfate ion SO4 -2. Students, we interchange the valences of aluminium and sulfate ions to get the formula Al2 bracket SO4 bracket close 3. Now we will discuss some more formulas of compound like sodium oxide Na2O. Next, aluminium chloride AlCl3. Next, sodium sulfide Na2S, and MgOH whole twice is the formula of magnesium hydroxide. Next, what is a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is defined as a reaction in which a substance undergoes a change to produce a new substance with different properties and composition. Next term is chemical equation. Chemical equation is defined as the representation of a chemical reaction by using symbols and formulae of the element and compound involved in it. The examples of chemical reaction are combustion. The chemical equation of combustion reaction is carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This equation is in the form of symbols and formula. So it is a chemical equation. Next example of chemical reaction is photosynthesis. The chemical equation of photosynthesis process is carbon dioxide reacts with water to form glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. One more example we will discuss. Hydrogen chloride reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. This equation is in the form of symbols and formula. So this is a chemical equation. Students, in the chemical reaction, the substances which are taking part in chemical reaction are called reactants. And reactants are written on the left hand side of arrow. On the other hand, the substances which are formed as a result of reaction are called product, and products are written on the right hand side of arrow. Here carbon and oxygen which are taking part in chemical reaction are called reactants, and carbon dioxide which is formed as a result of reaction is the product. One more example we will discuss. Here hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide which are taking part in chemical reaction are reactants, and sodium chloride and water which are formed as a result of reaction are products. Students, the arrow means to form or react to yield. The arrow also indicates the direction of reaction. So what are reactants? The substances which take part in the chemical reaction are called reactants. They are written on the left hand side of arrow. Next, what are products? The substances which are formed as a result of chemical reaction are called products. They are written on the right hand side of arrow. Now students, let's start reading. Open page number 79. So first, what is chemical equation? A chemical equation is a representation of a chemical change with respect to symbols and formulae of different compounds. To understand this, let's consider a reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride. The reaction is represented as hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. Here, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide which are taking part in chemical reaction are called reactants. Sodium chloride and water which are formed as a result of reaction are called products. This reaction can also be written in the form of formulae as HCl plus NaOH to form NaCl plus H2O. While writing a chemical equation, reactants are written on the left hand side and the products on the right hand side of the equation with an arrow in between them. The plus sign is read as and. The arrow means react to yield. The arrow also indicates the direction of the reaction. Next term is word equation. When a chemical equation is written in word form, it is called word equation. Example is hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. This chemical equation is written in word form, so it is a word equation. Next, what is skeletal or molecular equation? Skeletal or molecular equation is defined as the equation in which reactants and products are represented by their symbols and formulae. For example, iron reacts with sulfur to form iron sulfide. The skeletal equation is Fe reacts with S to form FeS. Some more examples of word equation and skeletal equation are: iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. This is a word equation. Now, skeleton equation is iron Fe combines with O2 to form Fe2O3. Next example of word equation is hydrogen peroxide decompose to form water and oxygen. The skeletal equation of this reaction is H2O2 decompose into H2O and O2. One more example of word equation: methane combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. The skeletal equation of this chemical reaction is CH4 plus O2 to form CO2 plus H2O. Now students, let's start reading of page number 79, word equation. Equation in which reactants and products are represented by their names is known as word equation. For example, iron plus sulfur to form iron sulfide. Now open page number 80, molecular equation. Equation in which reactants and products are represented by their symbols is known as molecular equation. For example, Fe plus S to form FeS. Now students, you must be able to write the molecular equations for the following word equations. Thank you.